people there doing the same thing, waiting for sunrise and waiting for whales to pass by. Here we are at Nora Point, Cabarita. Just waiting for the sun to rise. Look at that for a beautiful little beach. A beach that goes forever, look at that. Can't see behind the trees. Beautiful spot. But if you go over here, oh, you look at the view. That's the sunrise. And many other people up here looking. A magic fall road. Who's the operator? Excuse me, mate. Are you operating this drone?
Hello there, Mr. Nathan. I haven't got much law at the moment. I'm on the lookout for whales, but here's a shot of what I'm seeing, a beautiful
sunrise.
Dark and moody sunrise. Yeah.
Look at all these people on the lookout for the whales or the sunrise, one of the two. And if you look the other way, like that. Very pretty. G'day people. That is one beautiful beach that was severely impacted by Cyclone Alfred. But out here, been viewing pods of whales going through most of the morning.
Can you do something for me?
I can, after I film that. Come on, Michael, you're holding the fort.
One could have stayed.
Can you do it again for me?
Well, I'm trying to do this, but
Oh, come on, mate.
you're holding the... See a lover's chair for the beautiful view. This little beach here has been voted for quite a number of years as the best beach in the country, in Australia, mainly because it's so protected. Surfers out there, and I can actually see some whales breaching right out there. You see that? Absolutely beautiful spot this, Cabarita. Yeah, no. What a spot.